Hey, what's up? It's Sierra, the festive bohemian, and today in this episode, we're going to be talking grow lights. Now, deciding on what type of grow light to get can seem like a daunting task, but no worries, that's why I'm here. The purpose of this video is to help you decide what light is going to be best for you and your houseplants. All right, let's go. First, let's talk spectrums. Now, each light spectrum will influence our plants in a different way. For instance, blue or cool light is best for vegetative growth, the stage between germination and flowering. Red or warm light is best for flowering, and full spectrum light, closer to the cool side of the spectrum, is great for starting seeds and cuttings. You can also find dual or multi-band LED lights, which combine red, blue, and full spectrum light together to create a pinkish purple colored light. Red and blue light is what's used most efficiently with plants in photosynthesis, but if you don't like the look of that pinkish purple light, then your best bet is going to be the 6500 Kelvin full spectrum light. All right, now that we understand the color spectrum a little bit better, we can go light shopping. So our easiest and cheapest option is going to be our compact fluorescent lamps, aka CFLs. These can fit any standard light fixture, and you can get these at any store. These are best for spotlights for individual plants. I recommend LED lights. These come in a variety of spectrums and sizes. Your most affordable option for LED lights are going to be your spotlight LEDs. So just like your CFLs, but the difference is that your LEDs are going to last a lot longer, but they'll be a bit more expensive than your CFLs. Now, another option is your I'm going to call it a desk lamp, but it has a clip that you can clip onto anything. Now, these you can switch between full spectrum, dual, and multi-spectrum. So it has the mix of red, blue, white, and your white full spectrum light. These are great because you can bend and move them to point at different plants, which I feel like is just a great light to start out with. Another option, which I've been seeing a lot of around, is your strip lights. Now, these can hang like on top of a cabinet, going down on beaming down on the plants below, and it kind of looks like it's like a display look. You can also put these under your cabinets in the kitchen to highlight your backsplash, and you can add plants to your kitchen that way. There's a lot of things you can do with these strip lights. Like I mentioned, they're becoming increasingly popular. I think it is all around right now the most aesthetically pleasing option you can get, as well as your LED spotlights. Those would be my two highest recommendations to you. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description. And if you learned something new, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe because I come out with new videos just like this one every week. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day. Hey.